Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G71, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application. From here, navigate to the three bars and select Settings. And in here at the bottom you'll find Import option. So once you press on it, it gives you two options for importing. You can import either from VCF file or SIM card. I'm going to touch upon the SIM card right now, so that's what I'm going to use. And let's select OK. And from here, as you will see, you have all your contacts selected. Those are all the contacts that I have on my SIM card. Now, if you see some kind of contacts that are deselected and just grayed out to the point that you cannot select them, that's fine. Those contacts already exist on your phone, and the phone is simply stopping you from importing your contact twice. As you can see, you can also deselect ones that you don't want or select them. And from there, you can select Import, which will import all the selected contacts. And once you go back, you can see them right here in your list now. So that is how you would import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.